because my mind is up. I'm ready to go, but my body needs to physically take a break to recover from all this work I've been doing. So I didn't even know that it was snowing outside. I'm on Facebook Marketplace talking to someone about buying something, and I'm like, "Yeah, I'll pick it up today." And they're like, "Are you sure?" And I'm like, "Yeah." It was like, "Did you see the snow?" So I'm like, "No, I haven't looked outside." I look outside, and I'm like, "What's going on?" I mean, I can make it. I got a Jeep and another vehicle, but it's like, why bother? I'll reschedule for another day. Also, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day finishing up the kitchen floors. The weather's bad. I'll see what it is. Maybe I can go grab like the siding for the floors, or save that for tomorrow. But definitely today, all the tiles are going down. It's going down. I'm thinking about trooping it in the snow to go get some food, or hurrying up with my kitchen and making my own food. My own food. I don't want to move my car. I can do Uber. I've never done Uber Eats or anything like that before because I'm always on the road. I'm always driving. I think it's a waste of money if you ask me. So I'm thinking, wait, my winter boots is in my office, is at my office. Decisions. Let me think. Looking out the window, yeah, it's pretty bad. I got the Jeep, it'll make it, but I don't want to lose my parking spot. I have minimal food. Minimal. I'd have to cook. I don't want to cook. But tomorrow I plan on fasting. So I just need one meal. Tomorrow I'm not eating, so I don't need food for tomorrow. I just need one meal. If I go pick up some food now, it'll probably take me the whole troop maybe 40 minutes to walk and come back. Oh, wow, somebody looks like they're about to move. Oh, no, maybe they're just cleaning their car off. So I'm thinking, I'm in the mood for that food. It was good yesterday. But for what I paid for the food, I can get a whole bunch of groceries. So let's show you what it looks like outside. If this car right here moves, I'm in front of it. I'll probably make it back. So the thing is, if she leaves, that'd be great, because my car, which is like up there, would be great. I don't know what she's doing though. She looks like she's playing games. She's salting around her car, doing all types of stuff. I don't think she's leaving. So I'm checking the numbers, and the probability is if she leaves, perfect. Because if I leave, that'll be 2 spots. It'll take me half an hour to get my food. The chances of 2 cars taking up 2 spots in a half an hour is very slim because it's snowing. But if I leave, the probability jumps of a random car taking that 1 spot. 2 cars filling 2 spots in this kind of snow, probability is low. 1 car taking 1 spot in this type of snow, probability is higher. So, wait, I'm checking the numbers. Yeah, so she's not leaving. She just walked back to her house. Should be illegal with all these layers. Let's do it. We're going outside. Step outside. First thing I notice, I can't even see the steps. I made it down those steps like savagely. I could have fell at any moment. So I just pretty much held on to the railing and walked down like an old person. Looked at my Jeep, thought about it for a second. Should I drive? But I'm like, I really don't want to lose my spot. My neighbors are like, yeah, just walk. Don't lose your spot. 1 car getting stuck. It's like 2 cars getting stuck. I literally walked 1 block and there's 2 cars on the road getting stuck. Am I gonna help? to be continued. I'm walking towards oncoming traffic because if I'm on the other side, I can't tell who's behind me. But if I walk in the oncoming traffic, I can stay visual of what's going on the road. See? The buses are still running. I reached my destination. Yes. Food secure. On my way back. Yeah. Successful. Walking in the snow, it's like walking in quicksand. For every step equals like 5 regular steps. Literally. Oh man. But we're gonna do this one step at a time and get there. Whew, shit, it's taxing, but it's fun. You know, enjoying what it is. It's a blizzard, but just taking it in for what it is. And it's not all the time we get a blizzard where the street is basically shut down. Most businesses are shut down. People are home, so you know it's a good time to just check in with yourself. You know, take a break, reflect. You know, so many aspects of life that we often take for granted, and sometimes we have to be inconvenienced to remember how good we have it, or if we're going through a situation where things are not that great, things can always be worse. If you're a transportation business, I understand why you're closed today. If you're a food business like takeout, you should not be closed today. You're not serious about your money. I don't want to hear it. You're not serious about your money if you're closed today. So, back to finishing this kitchen. We're on the way. Get this right here. Make this cut so it can line up. All right, let's see if this fits. Perfect. I think I got the hang of this. Ooh, see that? Cheesing right now. Finish up the floors. All I need to do now is just add the, what do you call those? I don't know, the baseboard. I guess it's like a baseboard. And that's it. Floor is done. So let's check out the floors. Floors are done. Just need the baseboard and baseboards. So I have the cover to like rewrap the kitchen counter, but I've seen this thing online where you can like do like some kind of a concrete cover to it. That'll be fresh. That'll be dope. If I could just add a concrete countertop without pouring concrete. It's like this material that you just do like 2-3 layers, and it has the same texture, has a good thickness to it. Concrete in these floors, chef's kiss, dope.